I am going to start pattern making. I am drawing a line right way, right angle. I am making cross height 8 3/4, cross height or deep 8 3/4 inch. This waistline and cross and thigh line. I am calculate hip is 43 divided by 4, 10 and 10 3/4. This is center front line. I am making front cross with 1.5 inch extend. I am making waist line in mark 1/2 inch. This is hip point line, hip line. Making center front line. Center front line. I am calculate front cross 11 inch. I also before calculate 11 inch. Now I am making back cross. I extend 2.5 inch and cross with 1/2 inch down from front cross point. Back cross 16 inch, 1.5 inch waistband height, 16 inch including waistband height. This back cross 16 inch. Now I am making waist 34 divided by 4, 8.5 inch. Side line, front side line 8.5 inch and 3/4 inch dot line. This back waist. Back pocket position. 3/4 inch pellu on waist seam. I am making back pocket. Mid of the back center line 10 inch 5 inch and back pocket opening 5 inch, 5 inch, back pocket height 1/2 inch. Back pocket dart deep 38 3/4 inch. Back, this line front part 1/8 1/4 inch carving, am making pocket opening at waistband area 1.5 inch and pocket opening length side seam area 6.75 inch. I am making back front pocket opening line. 12.5 inch divided by 2, 6/4 inch, and here 7.75 inch. Now I make band length 7.75 inch. 7.75 inch. This is green line. Fan length 1.5 inch, less for waistband height. Fan length is 37 inch. 37 inch. Front leg 7.5 inch. Eight and a half inch, making in seam line. I am added 1 inch for back inching at leg area and knee area. I am making back inching. Pant pattern making finish. First I make front part and second I make back part. Now I am added seam margin on both sides. cutting front part. Front part cutting finish. Back part, front part. Back and front pattern making finish. Thanks for watching.